Hello, it's Lee here at Webber's Estate Agents. Now I'm at Belmont Lodge, Richmond Avenue in Ilfracombe. Now this is a really lovely and well presented 3-bedroom detached house situated in a quieter position at the end of a private cul-de-sac and with good sized gardens and also plenty of off-road parking. Now the property's got versatile accommodation, perfect for couples or for a growing family, so it really does appeal to a broad spectrum of the market. So let me give you the guided tour now. So just coming through the front door now, and we'll see this entrance porch here, entrance lobby and entrance hall. We've got the stairs up to the first floor directly ahead of us. We've got the kitchen on this side, and then we've got the main living room on this side. So we'll head this way first. I mean, this is a lovely big spacious room. This is about 22 feet long, so it's a really nice lounge, and you'll see we've got the direct connection there into the lovely conservatory as well. I'll show you more of the conservatory in a second, but the conservatory really links the indoor living accommodation with the outdoor space, with the garden. The garden's completely flat at the back, as you'll see shortly when I show you outside, and the conservatory provides that link from the inside to the garden. So if you're outdoor entertaining or nice sunny day, you've got that easy connection there. So in the lounge here, we've got the cupboard there for some storage, goes back under the stairs actually. And we've got an electric fire there, which provides a bit of a focal point to the room. TV over the top of that there. And I'll just give you the aspect from this side as well. As I say, nice big spacious room this. And as we go down to this end, we'll go into the conservatory here. But the conservatory, as I say, overlooks the rear garden, and you've got double doors there just leading out directly onto the garden, so that's your main access point out. And plenty of space for your furniture in here. Look, you'll see that there's 3 chairs, and you're looking out into the garden area from here as well. Show you more of the garden, as I say, in a second, give you a much better idea. So just spinning around, looking back towards the lounge here. And then we've got further living accommodation on the opposite side of the hallway. We've got this nice modern fitted kitchen in here. And you'll see, everything's in here. So you've got the range style cooker there, you've got the extractor canopy over the top. There's plumbing for a dishwasher there, plumbing for a washing machine here. And we've got a fridge, I think it is, down the far end there as well under the counter. Looking out the front here from the kitchen, and then we interconnect through into a separate dining room. So it's quite interesting this, because there's a few little steps down into the dining room here. I think once upon a time this was actually the garage for the property, so it's been converted at some point into a dining room, but it gives you really handy extra living space. So good sized family dining table there. Got further storage with the cupboards behind, and then you've got sliding doors at the end here which open out onto the front garden area. So again, you've got direct access from here out into the garden. So just spinning around here, room for your TV, look, and there's a recess here at the end where they've got a big fridge freezer. So again, you can put what you want where you want, but there is space for larger fridge freezers and things here as well. In here, we've got a ground floor very handy toilet. So toilet and hand basin there, and store cupboard. Now there is some potential with this part of the property to convert this maybe into a ground floor bedroom with a full-on suite. The shower room, or a shower room should I say, could be fitted where the toilet is at the moment. You might need to extend the wall a little bit further out just to accommodate the shower cubicle there, but certainly this could be a space then for an elderly or a disabled resident of the property. So it's got some scope and versatility as well. So there we are, that is the ground floor accommodation. We'll now head upstairs to the first floor. Just climbing to the top of the stairs now and up onto the landing. Up on the landing now, look, we've got the various bedrooms and the bathroom and separate toilet leading off. So we've got main bedroom here, third bedroom come dressing room here, and we've got the bathroom and separate toilet directly ahead, and on this side we've got the second bedroom. There is a very useful linen cupboard on the landing here as well, just good storage space there, so things like towels, sheets and blankets, things like that, anything you want really. So The bedrooms are all good sizes. All three are double rooms. This is a very good size, spacious bedroom, as you'll see. That's a big bed there, and there's still plenty of room around that. Room for your TV on the wall, look. And you've got the benefit of a built-in wardrobe in the corner of this one as well, just over there. So a really nice sized main bedroom, and across the hallway here, this would be the third bedroom, which you could also fit a double bed in, as you will see, but it's currently used as a dressing room, so there's a great big wardrobe back there, but you could easily get a double bed in there quite comfortably, or a double bed down at this end. Current owners have decided to use this one as a dressing room, as I say, but your choice to arrange it how you see fit, of course, but space is definitely there. And this one would be bedroom number 2, I guess. And again, you can see plenty of space in here. So again, a big chunky bed. You've got a little recess there where you've got the little desk. And as I come in, you'll see there's plenty of space for wardrobes here as well. And as we look out the front window here, just in between the blinds, you'll see it's quite a pleasant outlook. You're looking up towards the countryside and the Score Valley and across the town. So, you know, nice pleasant outlook here, but you know, as we've said before, it's nice and tucked away, and you know, you're quite private here and a little bit quieter than where you would be down in the centre of the town. We've got the bathroom over here, family bathroom. So as I come in here, you'll see we've got a hand basin and we've got a jacuzzi style bath there. You'll see the jets there that blow the bubbles. And we've also got the benefit of a separate walk-in shower cubicle down at this side as well. So you've got the bath and the shower in here, and everything you need. So good space again. And adjacent to the bathroom, just in here, look, so there's the bathroom, separate toilet. So again, very handy to have the separate toilet there. So that goes alongside the separate toilet that we've also got downstairs that we showed you earlier. So there we are, that's the internal accommodation at Belmont Lodge. We'll head outside now. So here we are, we're outside the property now, back out at the front, and you'll see that there's a private driveway here which leads up to the house, and it's very well screened. These big large conifer bushes here give you plenty of privacy. As I spin around here, you'll see that we're at the end of the cul-de-sac. So Richmond Avenue, which is what we're looking at now, is a cul-de-sac, and this property sits right at the end of it. So there's no passing traffic here either, which is great. So it just keeps you a little bit quieter, a little bit more private, and you're enclosed within your own grounds here. So you'll see the driveway. There's a car on the driveway here. You can certainly get another one in front of that without any problem, and another one further up closer to the house. So if you needed to get multiple cars on, there's probably space here for 3 reasonably comfortably. There's the front facade of the house, and we've got low maintenance gravelled flower beds here with various shrubs and bushes. So just walking up to the end of the drive here, there's plenty of space, as I say. Just gives you the idea of the depth of the space here. Just looking back now down to the entrance and back towards the house. You'll see the pathway there leads up to the front door. The front door, which is on the side of the building, which goes into the entrance porch there. And then we've got the side access here around into the rear garden. So we'll head out there now. Just the very final part of our tour now. We've just come through that gate there from the front garden, and we've got the rear garden now here. It's all enclosed, as you'll see. You can just see the conservatory there. So you've got this little yard area here that comes around from the side, and sort of storage space or whatever. Just handy extra area for you to do something. Little patio area here with the bench seating. And then we've got this sort of raised flower bed with these mature sort of conifer shrubs and hedging here. So it gives you proper privacy screen here. You know, if you had young children or pets, you know, the garden being enclosed is perfect for that scenario. You'll see it's artificial grass laid here, so from a maintenance point of view, it is very low maintenance. You know, you don't need to worry about cutting the grass or anything like that at all, or the weeds growing, because the grass stays like this all year round, which is great. Little store shed in the corner there. And then here's the hot tub. So if you enjoy the outdoor life, outdoor entertaining, that sort of thing, you've got the hot tub that is included in the sale. As you'll see out here, there's plenty of room for kids to run around, there's plenty of room for outdoor furniture, sun lounges, the barbecue, whatever it is you want to do. So it's a really great outdoor area and amenity space. Final little area of just storage really around this side here. There is a gate at the end there so you can get back around to the front, but it's just handy for storing bits and bobs, as you'll see. So just the final aspect from this side, and that will pretty much then conclude our tour of Belmont Lodge. So one last look up here, and there we have it. So there we are, that's Belmont Lodge, Richmond Avenue in Ilfracombe, and I'm sure you'll agree with me, this is a lovely house in good order with great facilities and all presented very nicely. So just to recap then, we've got 3 double-sized bedrooms, we've got the 22-foot lounge, the separate conservatory and the separate dining room, and the modern fitted kitchen. There's parking off-road for a good 3 cars, and those nice low-maintenance gardens with the hot tub. So to come and view this property physically, please do call us on 01 271 863 091. Many thanks.